Hi guys, it's Joey at Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the video of this lovely Kawasaki Versys 650 GT. So this one is a 2019 on a 19 plate. It's only done 8,798 miles from new. And like I said, it is the GT, so you do get the full 3-box luggage. This one's been slightly lowered as well, so it's got the lowering kit on there. It's got an aftermarket screen, but we do have the standard in the top box. So it's also got this sort of low rider comfort seat as well. They're a cool bike of these. They're a 650 2-cylinder engine, so you can restrict these and put them on an A2 license. You get a gear indicator, you get a fuel gauge, you get ABS. It's a really nice, good all-round bike. The luggage is super easy to get on and off. So this is your side box, obviously. Open it up and you've got the inner bags. And then all you do is just lift that up, give it a knock back, and it comes off super easy. Like I said, it's been slightly lowered. It's got spotlights on there, been the GT, and it's lovely. Anyway, if you want to get it bought, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, or just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.